Yeah, back at it again.
You just learned.
Back at it again.
Oh, hold on, what's that?
Back at it again.
Rags bun, 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 wax.
Only this guy. What up, y'all? Back at it again with another one. So lately I've been that busy working on these side gigs, getting this money together for the next installment. But I have something special to show y'all. I had this since I was 26. I'm happy and stoked to get it back. She might look a little rough, but we can fix that. Here it is. My toolbox. I had this since I was 26 and a half. Thought I lost it. My old boss, since he left his shop and everything, he took it with him. Hit me up. I posted up on Instagram and Facebook about getting a new toolbox that you guys all know. And as you can see, I don't have to get it now. This is my first snap-on box. As you can see, it's a little rough, but we're going to fix all that. It's currently in kind of a bad condition, only because I didn't take care of it when I was 26. I mean, I was young, dumb, didn't care. But for the most part, it's good. I'm ordering some new stuff for it as we speak. All the tools I have, which we're going to be fixing that today too, because I don't like all this. Plus getting other tools. All the wrenches. This is not even all my wrenches, y'all. That's not even all my pliers. I lost some of them. 2 empty drawers. The big main drawer, which comes all the way out. Oh. But that's why I'm have to contact Snap-on for new rails. As you can see, a lot of these look, and that's it. These new railings. I even greased them up, even cleaned them and greased them up once I got back my toolbox. Random miscellaneous stuff I got to go through, and that right there is my bin for all my power tools, tools like the Craftsman. Nothing in this one. Some more wrenches, smaller wrenches. I'm gonna go ahead and get me like a little wrench holder today. Brakes, calipers, you name it. Miscellaneous tools, tape measure, some more stuff, wire connector. I don't think I'm gonna be using these, but for compressor. Other miscellaneous tools. I gotta put this back in here anyway. And then, and I have something in the top, but for the most part, this is what I've been doing, my whole setup. And that's his. He's still I guess he's gonna get a toolbox. Probably move this out the way and put it there. I have no idea what my partner's gonna do. But today, we're working on a Silverado truck. It has blown shocks in the front. So I'm replacing them. I don't think you can see because it's with the wheels on, but once I take the wheel off, I'll show y'all. But this is a customer's car. Dear, sweet customer of mine. I appreciate him letting me do this and taking the time out for this video. It's in mint condition. I mean, got little nicks and dings. But what truck don't? It looks good too in the front. Almost make me want to convert it over. But yeah, and I moved that shelf that used to be right here next to this one over there. So first thing first, to get to the shock, I gotta take an Allen key and go around this and take all this out. I'm trying to think. I don't know, are these the real ones or fake ones? But yeah, I think it's this. I think it's that one real one right there, and I think the rest of these are fake. I'm about to find out in just a second. And then I think you want to take like a 21 socket and get the tire off. We'll find out in just a minute. So yeah, it is just that one, which is cool. Take my impact gun and get ready to zap them off of there. I think they have 21s. So zap that off of there and the tire should come out. Well, zap these off, tire should come off. So as you can see, the shock has been on there for a while now, and like the customer said, it was bottoming out, which could be from the shocks. The stop bumps are still good. I mean, for the most part, can't really see until I get on the ground here and see what else I can find. But as of right now, we'll take out this lower bolt. See them two bolts down there? I think one of them is a 21 and a 19 on the other side. So take them. First you want to place your jack underneath of there to give it some leverage, to take the weight off, because right now it's just hanging down. And I forgot to tell you guys, make sure you wear gloves. I got a bad habit of not wearing gloves. It's been for so many years of me doing mechanic. So anyway, as you can see, the setup was, it's a 21 on that side and a 21 on the other side on this side. So I'm going to take it, zap it off, and that should be ready to come out. So as you can see, the screws out. I like to put my screw together so that way I won't lose them. So now I got to tackle the top. And you basically want to do at the top here. So that very top, you want to take a pair of pliers or something, snap it onto the top, and right over top of there is a screw that you want to use. It's a 15 millimeter to unscrew it, and you should be good and everything should fall out. So you basically want to take your pliers and put it over top of that, because that top part right there is going to spin. You put your 15 millimeter wrench on top of it and screw it. I'm going to spray it with some PB Blaster. Just let it soak for a minute before I do all that, because it looks pretty rusted. So make sure you guys have some of this on deck. It don't have to be this brand. Anything that's going to unlock and bolts. And make sure you have a pair of snapping pliers. Going to put that on top and try to break this bolt loose. I can't do both with my hands, so I'm going to put down the camera, and when I get done I'll show y'all what I mean. After so much fiddling trying to get this out, make sure you have yourself a 17 to put right there. Don't put the pliers on top. I know it only works for like certain people. I'm not one of them people. So here goes the old ones. Hold on. That's the old one. And then we go get the new one.
2 hours later.
And there goes the new one. I'm not sure where he got them from. He told me yesterday, but I forgot. But it'll work. As you can see, they look pretty much exact other than being beat up. But let me go put this one on. That one's done. Let me put this one on. So basically you do everything reversible. And it comes out with new hardware, so that's cool. So let's put everything on reversible. Voila, you put everything back in. Just reverse the whole thing. Now, since I did one side, I gotta do the other side. That's gonna be easier since I already know what to do. Of course, like any other automotive thing. But just gotta torque them down. So I gotta do the other side next. And I don't know what else we're gonna do for today. Might go get some goodies. Let me wrap this up though. Did this side is put back together, and so is the other side put back together. Man, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. The bolts was hard for me to get off because they were seized, but I got them out of there. Thanks to this. Make sure you guys pick up some type of chemical for you to unseize bolts. But you guys take care. Stay tuned to the next video. I think the next video, I'm either going to be working on the truck, or we're going to do something to this bad boy. We're going to do something to this, because all this is not acceptable. So we got to do what we got to do. Take care, guys. Love and peace. Like, subscribe. Leave me some comments. I'm out. Oh yeah, guys, I forgot to tell y'all. Got something else coming. Hopefully y'all like this new toy. It ain't personally mine. It's the person that I'm renting out with, but it's clean, y'all. You gotta check this out. BMW N3. Woo! Love them. I don't like the problems you get with them. Yeah, this picture right here don't show no justice. I don't like the problems you get with them, and that you can't really beat on them. But for M3, I would take it, and I would swap the motor out of it, and I would drift this all day. Put a 1J in it, and just have fun. But let me get out of here.
Tryna run up on me, I'ma rearrange my face. Can't call